Okay, good evening, student. Probability 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, each and every sum we have completed. Now today we will complete 5.4. Till now we have done two things to find out the total outcomes, and from that total outcomes, required outcomes means the options, the choice. Now the actual probability. What is the meaning of probability? It deals with two things: total how much outcomes are available, from that required output. So that is the ratio. How much out of what? Your exam, when you will get the marks of this semester exam out of 40, suppose it is 32. So these are the selected outcome from total outcome. So always we will write, suppose S we are writing, then A we are writing, then B we are writing, then we are writing number of S, number of A, number of B. Then probability of this we can't find. Probability of A, that is number of A divided by number of S. Probability of B, that is number of B divided by number of S. Suppose I want probability of A, number of A divided by total. Suppose I want probability of B, so total of B divided by overall means total of S. Whose mic is on, bacha?
Sir, Ashish mic is on.
Ashish, close the mic. Every day you are creating one more problem. So, first question of 5.4. Two coins are tossed. Two coins. Now, after this particular problem, I will ask one intelligent question. Oh, link also created very late. I also signed very late because up to 6 my lecture was there. So might be students are getting. So slowly they'll come. Or okay, for rest of the public, I am recording. So don't worry. Two coins. So sample space will be both H, both T, HT, TH. Now, first question. At least one H. So A, at least one H and two H. So HT, TH means one we have taken first, then two. At least means that number and more than that number. Then second choice is also getting no head. So B, only TT. So number of S that we have learned in previous 4. Number of A, number of B. Now we want probability of A. As we can't find, number of probability of A is equal to number of A divided by number of S. And probability of B is equal to number of B divided by number of S. Now this is 3. This is 1, 4. Probability of B. Probability of A. So probability of A, how this result we can give the probability of A means if there is at least one H, that probability is 3/4 means Of each four, three you can select. Of each four, three you can select. Only T out of four, only one choice is there. These are the, if it is possible, you can reduce. Now my question is, what is the probability of, what is the range of the probability?
Sir,
Board
sir,
is
your
clear?
board
What
is
is,
not clear. No, sir, your board is not clear.
others? Now it is clear?
Sir, yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
Because might be that light
Clear,
is
sir, clear.
now. This one is better or previous
Yes, sir,
better?
clear.
Previous better.
Okay. Now my question is what? This I got the probability answer. So what is the range of the probability? The range of probability means how much minimum probability can come and how much maximum probability can come. Can you tell me? Minimum probability and maximum probability. Two dice. So who is that?
Sir, I'm muting everyone. You just unmute yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
They are doing time pass. Remove them who are disturbing. No, remove them. And think on my question that what will be the range of the probability? Correct? Preeti, if reason is the problem, then tell me, bacha. So these are the 36 sample space. Now the sum on the digit on the upper face is at least 10. At least 10. So first question. Sum of two dice is at least 10. Means 10, 11, 12. A will be 10 means 6 plus. 6 plus how much? 6 and 4. Decrease, increase. 5, 5. Decrease, increase. 4, 6. So it is reverse. 11 means 6 and 5. Decrease, increase. 12. Only one pair. Second question. Sum of the digit on the upper face is 33. That is not possible. So you just write this also, this also. When you are writing nothing inside the bracket, means it is empty. Symbol, mathematical symbol of empty, it is this. how this symbol is created. 0 itself, it is one element. 0 itself, it is element, because in a number there are 10 symbols. When we are using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 to 9 and 0, these are the 10 symbols. From that we can form the number. So 0 itself, it is one element. With the help of that we can form the number. So write the 0 and cancel. Even 0 is not there. So that is empty. In higher standard, when you will learn this integration derivatives in 12th standard, no? So when you will reply this answer, no? Professor will be happy and they will surely ask from which school you are. So write the symbol of 0 and cancel 0, means at least 0 is also not there. That is empty. Okay. Third question. The digit on the first die is greater than that of the digit on the first side. First digit is greater. Then second digit. First digit get greater means 3, 2, okay. 2, 3 is not okay. First digit is greater compared to the second. Now very intelligent method. Suppose you will write that full 36 sample space by my method. Then 3 questions very easily you can find out that same number. So out of 36, 6 gone. Out of 36, 6 gone. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. 6 gone. 30. It is divided into 2 parts. 15. This is 15. This is 15. All these numbers, first digit less, second greater. Here all first grade greater, second. See this triangle. All first digit is greater. In all these first is less. How to write? First digit is greater, so 1, 1 I can't write. 2, 1 I can write. 2, 1 I can write. 2, 3 I can't write. Then 3, 1, 3, 2. 3, 3 I can't write. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. 4, 4 I can't write. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4 I can't write. 5, 5 I can't write. Then 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 I can't write. I can't write 6, 6. So here only 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then so total 15. 2, 1, 2, 2 you can not write because equal. 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 you can't write. Like that. So direct you can write and by this. So again number of S 36. Number of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of B is equal to 0. Number of C now probability of A is equal to number of A divided by number of S. So that is 6 by 36, so 1 by 6. It is within the range, correct. Probability of B, number of B divided by number of S. 0 divided by 36. 0. Probability of C, number of C, number of S. 15 divided by 36 with 12, with 3, sorry, 3 5s are 12 3s are. When the things are very easy, no, students are taking very lightly. You can't believe that before 3 years, Ankita Gandhi was there in Gujarati medium from my school. She stood standard first in my school and first in P ward, because that Malad and Goregaon area is P ward. In prelim, you can't believe that this is a very easiest formula in the textbook. In prelim, she wrote probability of A is equal to number of S divided by number of A. So she thought that I have written each and every thing is correct. So I make a round and question. So what is wrong in this? I said, see the formula. By reading also, she didn't come to know that what is wrong. I said, bacha, that is number of A divided by number of S, not number of S divided by number of A. So sometimes your mind think like that only, that this is correct. So when the things are very easy, you have to be very alert, very careful. Now again comes to my answer that first, second, I have solved that probability you are getting this, you are getting this, you are getting this, this, this. So what is the range of probability? What the probability can be maximum? It can be full out of full, no? If it is 36, so numerator cannot be more than 36. From 36 only we have to pick up. If we are pick upping all 36 by 36, so the maximum answer always 1. Minimum answer always 0. So in one line question, I have asked in that exam that what is the range of the probability? Simple, you have to write this. In your textbook, it is highlighted. 0 greater than equal, probability of A greater than equal 1. It can be 1 less than 1. It can be 0 more than 0. Means probability cannot be more than 1. Probability can never be negative. Probability you can convert into percentage. Every percentage you can convert into probability. See, this is slightly higher than your textbook that will continue in 11th standard. Suppose is this 3 by 4. So multiply by 100, divide by 100. So don't do this anything. This is 25. So 75 by 100. So it is 75%. This is also probability. Every percentage is a probability. Why? Because percentage is out of. You know the out of, that is a fix. When the out of is fixed, that is a probability. 75% means out of 175. Maybe the paper of 40 marks, but you got 75%, means 30 marks. And if it is 62%, you will write 62 by 100. You will minimize 31, 50. So out of every 50, 31. So percentage is a probability. In any probability you can convert into the percentage. Probability into percent, how to convert? Multiply and divide by 100. This divide by 100 you don't touch. You remove the denominator, whatever the answer in numerator, that is your percentage. And remove the percentage sign, write divide by 100. So that is also your probability. So minimum to minimum probability can be 0, not less than 0 means not negative. Because counting can never be negative. The things we are counting. Maximum to maximum, full out of full, 100 out of 100, cancel. So the ratio final is 1. So the highest probability 1. If you are getting 4 by 3, if you are getting 5 by 3, if you are getting 7 by 4, your answer is 100% wrong. Means that ratio is more than 1. When the ratio is more than 1, you are 100% wrong. Next. There are 15 tickets in the box, 1 to 15. So as simple, directly they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Correct. Now, first question. Even number. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15. Two questions are only there. Okay. So number of S is equal to 15. Number of A, that is 3367. See, total number is odd. So you can't make it half. Odd is more, even if less. 1 to 3. Now probability of A, number of A divided by number of S, that is 7 by 15. Probability of B, number of B divided by number of S, 3 by 15. Out of every 15, 3 means per 5 you can select one. Per 5 you can select one. So that is the outcome. Now 2 digit from 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. Without repetition, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. 5 digit without repetition means always less 1 digit. So it is 4. 4 square is equal to 16 sample space. You can create maximum. So this is the answer how to find out S. Without repetition. With repetition, same number. 5 5 sir. Without repetition, the number of digit count. 5 digit given. 1 less. Whatever the digit remains, square of that digit. That is now how? So 2, it is 4, no? So every digit I write 4 times. Repetition not allowed. 2 with 3, 5, 7, 9 with not 3. 2 with not 3. 5, 7, 9. 2, 3, 5 will not that. 7, 9. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 7 will not that. 9. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. If you are taking this behind all number, if you are taking this back side all number, if you are taking this number as a front, back for all number, like that. You miss that number and rest of right in sequence. Now the question number is 1. Odd number. Odd numbers. A. 23, 25, 27, 29. Here 35, 37, 39. Then 53, 57, 59. Then 73, 75, 79. Shreya, tell me how much time remain, because story and Pankti remain, because for that's why students are coming and I am giving. Okay, so which are odd, even this, 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 These only are even. So out of 16, see 4. Why this is wrong? 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2, 3. Because 0 is not given. When 0 is given, no, at that time you can take, because that you cannot take in front. Okay, that is the formula for 0. Sorry. So out of 20, 1 to 3 are not there. So 16. Multiple of 5. 5 means this. 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5 will not be there. 7, 5, 9, 5. So number of B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So probability of B, A. Number of A, number of S, A. 16 by 20. 4 4 the 4 5 the. Probability of B, number of B, number of S. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of every 5, 1 out of every 5. Card is drawn from a random pack of well-shuffled 52 playing cards. Jack and spade. So, Shreya, how much time remain, bacha?
So 5 minutes.
We will complete that, and that we can rejoin, okay, for the story, because otherwise fast you will not get. 52.
Okay, sir.
So number of S, 52. No need to show. First, N, Ek. So there are 4 Ek, correct? So A, number of A is equal to 4. Of all different categories, Ek, total number this. Spade, no need to show. You can't draw that. Spade, so number of S, B, sorry. Spade, 13. So probability of A, number of A divided by number of S. A, 4 by 52. Probability of B. So because there are 4 groups and this is one of that part, that is why it is 1/4. In ACK there are only 1 out of 13. Of 13 group, spade, diamond, heart, club, all 13 there are 1 ACK. So that is why you are getting the answer. Always at the end check your probability that the fraction should not be 1. When the fraction cannot be greater than 1. When the numerator is bigger, at that time the fraction is more than 1. If both are equal, fraction is 1. If denominator is bigger, at that time your probability is less than 1. So always at the end, be carefully, check the answer. Because this type of the silly mistake, scholar students are also doing. And when complementary questions are there, for example, here they have asked only even. Suppose for odd, So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. C. So number of C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So probability of C, number of C divided by number of A. C. 7 by 15. And this is 2. Even is there, no? Odd I am writing. Sorry. Odd I have written, sorry. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So it is 8. It is 8. So odd and even, it forms a total group. So odd plus even. So odd probabilities 8 by 15 plus 7 by 15 is equal to 15 by 15. So full group. So when both are complementary of each other, that if you will remove this only remain. If you remove this only will remain. So odd, even. So what is my question? If odd probabilities 8 by 15. So find even. So 1 is equal to odd plus even. So 1 is equal to hey, remove them. Who is doing this? Remove. Fifteen ones are 15 minus 8. So from odd to even to odd, you can find by directing substitution from 1, because overall probability is 1. When probability is 1, it is 100%, full out of full. When it is full out of full, so your answer is 1. So when the probability is 1, it is 100%. When probability is 1 by 2, 50%. When the probability is 1 by 4, 25%. Like that you can identify the percentage, and from the percentage also you can find out the probability. If it is 20%, means 20 by 100. 20% means 20 by 100 means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 probability means 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. So like this probability and percentage, both are correlated. Why? Because probability is out of fixed number. 100 is also out of fixed number. Percentage is out of fixed number. Out of 100, that is only percent. How much minute remain, beta?